Hi, my name is Maya. My bedroom right now, it kind of just looks like a really nice jail. I would really love some help.
Open your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Even if you're renting, home is home. I'm Patty Wagner, and I've got one day to do a total refresh on one room.
Oh my God.
Using easy, renter-friendly ideas.
Wow. Are you kidding me?
Wow. Good job.
Hi, my name is Maya, and I live in the Loring Park neighborhood in Minneapolis. This is my first apartment post-college. I had a pretty good idea of what I wanted to do with the living room, but when it comes to my bedroom, I didn't really have many ideas. So right now, it kind of just looks like a really nice jail. So I'd really love some help.
I'm about to go meet Maya. This is their first place on their own, and they really need help with their bedroom. Hi, Maya.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So this is your first apartment?
Yep, first apartment on my own.
Oh. Tell me a little bit about your style.
Well, I just like things that are kind of slim, modern, not too much fluff on the outside, just kind of like functional.
I love the minimalist vibe that you've got going on here. Are you ready to show me your room?
Yep, let's do it.
Awesome. Oh, I see you have a bed.
Got the bed on a box spring, so at least it's not on the floor.
What's your dream for this bedroom?
I guess my dream is just to make it feel homey, and
Sure.
I like to be surrounded by the things that I like my books and my juggling gear.
So you juggle?
Yes, I've got a whole cabinet. I've got some yo-yos on the top.
Oh,
and-
you yo-yo too. Incredible.
Do you
Yeah.
want to try? There you go, then flip your hand over, and then give it a tug up. Oh. So this is my comic book collection. Finally, I have a space to keep everything.
You're so organized,
Yeah, I try to be.
but there's not a lot of personal touch in terms of decor.
Yeah.
So that's something that you just want to kind of add into your room.
Yeah,
right?
it's something I would really love.
Tell me about this fan here.
I use the fan to sleep at night.
Okay.
But the light is really dim.
You know, this is something that can easily be changed up as a renter with your landlord's permission.
He's pretty laid back, so I think he'd be okay with it.
Okay, awesome. Paint is something that most landlords will allow you to do. Are you open to different color?
Yeah, I'm definitely open to a different color.
Paint color can truly change the look of a room.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Maya's such a fun person with a modern vibe, but you wouldn't know that from looking at their bedroom. So what I would like to do is upgrade Maya from dorm style to first apartment style. All right, let's clear some stuff out. That means swapping out the ceiling fan for something that fits their minimalist style, warming up the wall color, getting a real bed and nightstands, bringing in personal touches like artwork for the walls, and upcycling their functional but basic looking storage. I can juggle.
So you want to scoop into it.
We're gonna do a quick and simple makeover to your bookshelf. So we're gonna add these legs because it'll add a little design element that'll make your bookshelf feel a little bit more special. Do you wanna do that one over
Sure.
there? Okay. I love how we can do something as simple as adding a leg to dress up a piece of furniture. All right, Maya, I'm gonna finish putting the rest of the legs on here. I'm gonna have you take off, and then when you get back, your room is gonna have a totally different personality.
All right, looking forward to it.
On the wall behind the bed, I'm using 2 shades of gray that will play up a custom picture rail. I'm loving how this gray looks in the room already. The blue is a really pretty color, but it just didn't quite work well with the trim. We're swapping out the ceiling fan. It's a very renter-friendly way to change the feel of a room.
Here we go.
Got it. This fan is going to be amazing. Make sure that you keep the old one so that way you can put it back when you're ready to move out. What I love about this picture ledge is that it is super low budget. It only takes 3 pieces of wood that you put together, which is great because you can customize it exactly to the size that you want. I plan to place this right in the middle here, so it will be the dividing line between the lighter paint color and the darker paint color. I love the picture legend there. I'm gonna have so much fun styling this. Maya's bed was pretty basic, almost dorm style. I wanna give Maya a real grown-up bed. Maya didn't have any nightstands here before, so we just added in these really cool, inexpensive ones. And then right now we're adding the wall sconces, so Maya can actually read in here. I'm going to create a gallery wall for Maya. It's a mix of inexpensive prints and Maya's photography. I'm making paper templates of all their art. And the great thing with using butcher paper is that you can just then move it around until it feels just right. I'm gonna swap this one out with this. Remember, there's no right or wrong. It just has to feel good. That's it. Next, using removable adhesive strips, mount your artwork where the butcher paper was. Peel that off, and we've got our first frame up. When you're a renter and you've got wall-to-wall carpeting, sometimes you think you're just stuck with the carpet, but adding in a rug is a great way to provide interest into your room. Just waiting for Maya to get back. We just finished up. It looks so good. I cannot wait for Maya to see this. Keep it closed. I'm gonna have you stand right over here.
Okay.
Okay, open your eyes.
Oh, wow. Jeez, this is like a whole bedroom.
What do you think?
This is amazing. This is like far beyond anything I was thinking.
We gave your wall a new paint color that matches more of like, you know, the window and the trim. And then we added this cool picture ledge. And the great thing about this picture ledge is that you can style it however you want. I love the flexibility. Hey, you have a bed frame.
I do. This is great.
Yeah. A wall sconce, so you could read and relax in your bedroom. Yeah, this is all of the artwork that you shared with us. I think the wall gallery is something that's very personal for you. And then, remember the bookshelf?
Yeah, it looks so much better.
Yep, just turned it horizontally, added the legs, and like, boom. Quick upgrade for not much money at all. So you can see that we swapped out the ceiling fan. This one fits your style, and it also looks really nice with your window. But we saved the old one,
Okay.
just in case your landlord wants that put back. I think your landlord's gonna wanna keep that up.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
I think he's gonna like it. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope that you love it.
Yeah, I do. This is awesome. This is phenomenal.
Okay, awesome. It was so cool to see Maya's reaction to the room makeover. I can tell that they really loved it, and that made me so happy.
I'm absolutely loving my room so far. I think I've spent more time in it this past week than I have in the entire year that I've been in my apartment. It's absolutely wonderful. Haven't killed my plants yet. Thank you so much for the makeover. This is fantastic.